Okay, good morning, all of you. So, in previous classes, we studied a function and domain range and codomain. Now, just I will discuss about briefly. Function means what? Given two non-empty sets A and B, such that f from A to B, f from A to B, which is a rule. It is every element of set A is associated with the unique element of set B. It is every element of set A is associated with the unique element of set B is called a function. It is and domain and range and codomain also we will see in function also. We will study it in relation also, and here we will studying in the function also. Domain means what? All the element of set A, all the element of set A we call it as what? A domain, and whole set B we call it as a codomain, and associated term we call it as what? A range. It is a range of the function. It is okay. Now we will discuss some examples. Okay, now the today's problems is, which of the following relations are functions? See, listen here. Which of the following relations are functions? Listen here, all of you. Here, every function we call it as a relation. Every function we call it as relation, and every relation not a function. Every relation is not a function because of a function. In function, some rule to be applied. Okay, so for that purpose, here the given question is what? Which of the following relations are function is there, and give reason. Give reason. If it is a function, determine its domain and range is given. Okay, very simple concept it is. Now, so totally three problems is given. So first one is 2, 1, and second one is 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1. See, similarly, second problem and third problem is given. Now let us we will discuss the first problem. What is the first question? 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. This is a relation. It is. Now we will check it whether the given is a function or not, and also suppose it is a function means we must write domain and range. We must write a domain and range. Okay, let us be seeing now given. So first of all, I will write whatever the given term relation is there. I wrote here r equal to 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1 it is. Okay now with the arrow diagram, we will say this one. See here, first elements, set of all first elements of the order pair of the given relation. Set of all first elements of the order pair of the given relation, that is a set A it is, or otherwise you consider domain it is. Okay, now second element 1, 1, 1, 1, set of all elements of the order pair of the given relation. Okay, that is only one element is there. I wrote here. So this is a set A, and you consider A and B it is. Okay, A and B. Now check it. What is the definition of a function? Function definition is given two non-empty set A and B such that all the element of set A or every element of set A is associated or mapping is associated with the unique element of a set B. Unique element of a set B it is called a function. Now 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. All these elements is associated with only one element of codomain. Only one element of a codomain. So this is a function. It is. This is a function. Okay now see clearly. It is clearly from the above diagram. So this is a diagram. It is. No two order pair have the same first components. Listen here. No two order pairs have the same first components. See, so for Kannada medium students purposely I am saying, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಟೂ ಅದ, ಈ ಟೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ 2 5 ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಟೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಯಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, hence this relation is a function it is. Hence this relation is a function it is. Okay, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್, this is what a given domain it is. So set A it is, we consider what a domain. So domain equal to, we will write 2 5 8 11 14 and 17 it is. And range associated term it is, associated term. So range is what, only one element is there. So that number is what, that element is what, only one it is. So this is your first problem solution it is. Okay, very simple concept it is. And you can solve remaining two also, second one and third one also. Okay na? Right. Okay, so next we go to second problem. Second one is what, now I want to remove this one, first question. Okay, now I will write a second one given. So in the second relation R equal to, what is the second one, 2 comma 1 4 comma 2 6 comma 3 8 comma 4 10 comma 5 12 comma 6 and 14 comma 7. 14 comma 7 it is. Okay, okay, let us will saying whether the given relation it is a function or not. Okay, so previous only I told very important note it is, every function it is a relation, every function we call it as what, relation, but every relation is not a function it is. So that's why the given relation we will verifying whether it is a function or not. And whether it is a function means we will write a domain and range, otherwise so we can't write. Okay now second question it is, R equal to 2 comma 1 4 comma 2 6 comma 3 8 comma 4 10 comma 5 12 comma 6 and 14 comma 7 it is. See, this is a given relation it is, we must write with the arrow diagram, we must express the arrow diagram it is. Okay, I will write first 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. Okay, next remaining elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now listen here all of you. Say this is given relation, with the help of this relation I drawn arrow diagram here. Say 2 comma 1, this is one of the order pair of the given relation, 2 comma 1. Say 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, these all are what, domain it is, because set of all first element of the order pair of the given relation we call it as what, domain. So that's why I wrote 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, these are what, domain it is. Next second elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set of all second element of the order pair of the given relation. We call it as what a range it is. We call it as what a range it is. And whole set B we consider what a codomain it is. Okay. Now I will write here 2 is associated with 1. Next 4 is associated with 4. Sorry, 2. 6 is associated with 3. 8 is associated with 4. 10 is associated with 5. 12 is associated with 6. 14 is associated with 7. Okay, now check it. What is the function definition? Okay, whether the function definition is obey or not. Check it. Whether it is obey means the given relation it is a function. Otherwise, it is not a function. Now check it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 4. These 7 elements is associated with unique images. With the unique image. Okay, now. So all the element of set A. Okay, now you consider this is A and this is B. Okay, now this is function because of all the element of set A is associated with the unique element of set B is called a function it is. So that's why we consider what it is clear from the above diagram means so from the diagram that no two order pairs have the same first components. No two order pairs have the same first components. Hence, this relation is a function. Hence, this relation is a function. Okay. Hence, sorry, here domain equal to what is the domain? All the element of set A it is. What are those elements? You write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Next range. What are those? 1 to 7 elements. Now we must write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 to 7 elements. Okay. So these are what solutions of domain, range, and this the given relation it is a function it is. Okay. Now next it's a very simple concept it is. So 1 and 2 both the relation is a function. Now we will go to third one. We will go to third one. Third one is small changes is there because of in a third question. In the third question, now I will write here. Say third one is what 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5 is there. See one set of all first elements of the order pair of the human relation 1 and 1. See 1 1. So 1 is associated twice. So one element is associated 2 times. So we will directly saying the given relation it is not a function. Okay. Now I will write here. I will give the clarification with the arrow diagram. Okay, now. Okay, what about third one? Now I will write third one. Given r equal to 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5 it is. Now let us will seeing the arrow diagram. What is the arrow diagram? 1, 1, 2 it is, and here 3 and 5 it is. Now all of you check it. 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. So totally 3 order pair is there. Now with the help of this given relation, I will draw the arrow diagram. 1 is associated with 3. Next 1 is associated with 5. Next, 2 is associated with 5. Now check it whether the given relation is a function or not. No, because what is the definition of a function? Every element of set A is associated with the unique element of set B. It means only one element is associated or map with only one image. Okay, one element must be having only one unique image, but here one number one it is. This is the element it is. Okay, now this element one is associated twice, having a two image, having a two image. So for that purpose, the condition is false, means it is not a function. So that's why we call it as this is a relation, but it is not a function because one have two images 3 and 5. So for that purpose the given relation it is not a function. Given relation it is not a function. So just simply we will write, we can say that the element 1 has two images 3 and 5. So it is not a function. So it is not a function. Okay, so this type of we will saying whether the given relation it is a function or not. Okay, now okay, very simple concept it is. So these type of problems, dear students, you can see in your textbook also. You must go to like this only. Okay, now whether the given relation it is a function or not, we will check it. Means we will first we must understand the function definition. Okay, after then we will solve this one, otherwise we can't do anything. Okay, so this type of problems you can see in your NCERT textbook also. You can prepare and practice those problems. Okay, thank you. Next we will go to another concept. Next level problem we will see. So after completion of this concept of these type of problems, we go to some types of functions. Okay, now let us we will go to second type of problems. These are find the domain and range of the following real functions. So first one is f of x equal to minus modulus of x. Second one is f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Okay, so solution, let us we will seeing first one. What is the first one? F of x equal to minus modulus of x. It is here f of x, here f of x is less than or equal to 0 for all x is belongs to capital R. It is for all x is belongs to capital R. Now we will write here domain capital R, and range R minus union of 0, R minus union of 0. Okay, and next second one I will write here only. Second one, f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Here domain minus 3 comma 3 and range 0 comma 3 it is. Okay, now dear students, find the domain and range of the following given relation. Real function it is. Okay, now here two problems is given. First one is f of x equal to minus modulus of x, and second one is f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square it is. Okay, let us will seeing first one. What is the first one? F of x equal to minus modulus of x is given. Now here f of x is less than or equal to 0 because minus is there. So here minus, you can take any type of numbers. But here minus is there. So for that purpose, so it will consider what? Negative number only. Negative number only. For that purpose, we will write f of x is less than or equal to 0 because modulus of here minus of modulus x is there, not a modulus of minus x. See, minus of modulus x is there, so you can substitute x value whatever it may be. You can take negative numbers, positive numbers. Okay, na? So, but finally it will become what? Positive only because modulus is there. Then finally you will get what? Negative number because minus is there. For example, here minus modulus of minus 5 is there, then the value will become what here? Minus 5 because modulus of minus 5, the value will become what? 5 it is, but outside minus is there, na? You write minus. And don't get confusion, minus into minus plus, not like that, because here modulus is there. Here important rule of modulus is what? It will become all negative numbers to positive form. Okay, now outside minus is there, so that's why we will write a minus 5 it is. Now your value will become what? Minus 5. Like this you can take any numbers here, x value. Okay, but the value will become what? Minus means a negative number only. So for that purpose, f of x, this is f of x is always less than or equal to 0 because 0 below numbers is negative numbers. So you will get what? Negative numbers. So for that purpose, we will write less than or equal to 0. So for all x is belongs to capital R. So why we will take R means R is nothing but what? Real number. For all x is belongs to always a real number only. You can take any type of numbers, but you will get what? It is less than or equal to 0 only. Finally, you will get what result? Less than or equal to 0. So it shows that what directly we will write domain equal to capital R because you are substituting. X is belongs to capital R is nothing but what? You are substituting all type of numbers. Means real numbers. You are substituting real number means we consider what? Domain equal to capital R. Okay, means a real number it is. Next, range. Second one, we must write domain and range. Domain and range we will write here. Range means, listen here, less than or equal to 0 is there. You can substitute any type of numbers, the given problem, but your result will be always less than or equal to 0 is there. So for that purpose, we will write R minus. R minus is nothing but what? R minus indication. This is negative real number. The indication of R minus is nothing but what? Negative real number. R minus union set of 0. Okay, so 0 element it is. Okay, so only one element that is 0 it is. So the indication of what? Negative real numbers including 0. The range, it shows that the meaning of this range is The meaning of this range is negative. You can take any type of negative real numbers, including union. It is union means what? Including what? Zero element also. Zero element. And you can see even function also. F of x is less than or equal to, not a less than. Less than or equal to is there. Less than or equal to 0 is there. So that's why the domain will become what? R, and the range will become what? R minus union 0. R minus union 0 element it is. Okay. So this is the first problem, domain and range. This is the first problem of a domain and range. Next we go to second one. Now, listen here, all of you. Second one is f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square is there. Okay. F of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square is there. Now, let us will sing square root of square root of 9 minus x square is there. Okay, na? Correct. Now, let us, I will substitute because of square root of negative real numbers. It will become what? A imaginary number. So that's why we will substituting x value minus 3, then the value will become 9 of minus, you substitute here. Suppose if you put x equal to minus 3 means the term will become what? 9 minus of minus 3 whole square. So square root of 9 minus 3 whole square means what? So plus 9 only. So 9 0, the value will become 0. Next, x equal to minus 2, the term will become 9 minus of minus 2 square equal to 9 minus 4. So the term will become what? Root 5. So now x equal to minus 1, the term will become 9 minus half minus 1 square equal to square root of 9 minus 1 equal to square root of 8. Next, x equal to 0, the term will become 9 minus half 0 square means, so square root of 9 equal to 3 it is. Next, x equal to 1, the term will become 9 minus half 1 square square root of 8 equal to what? Square root of 8 only. Next, x equal to 2, the term will become 9 minus half minus 2, sorry, plus 2 square equal to square root of, so again you will get what? 5. So square root of 5. Next, x equal to 3, square root of 9 minus of minus 3 whole square equal to, so not a minus 3, plus 3 it is 9 minus 3 whole 3 whole square. The term will become 9 minus 9 equal to square root of 0 is nothing but a 0. See, if you substituting x equal to minus 3 to plus 3, if you substituting x value minus 3 to plus 3, you will get what? Answers. You will get what? Real numbers, some results. Okay, now suppose if you taking x equal to minus 4 means, suppose if you taking x value minus 4 means, then the result will become 9 minus half minus 4 whole square. Square root of 9 minus half minus 4 whole square. The term will become what? 9 minus half. Minus 4 whole square is nothing but what? 16. So 9 minus 16. What is the value of 9 minus 16? Yes, minus 7. So square root of minus 7. Now check it whether it is a real number. No, it is not a real number. It is a imaginary number because square root of negative real number, always we call it as what? Imaginary number. So that's why we are not taking x equal to minus 4. We are not taking x equal to minus 4. Okay, let it be. Now negative number we will start with a minus 3 only, then only we will get what? A result. Okay, now I will take x equal to plus 4. Now I will be take x equal to plus 4. Then the term will become what? Square root of 9 minus 4 square. So the value will become 9 minus 16. So again you will get what? Minus 7. Again you will get what? Minus 7. So which type of minus 7? Square root of minus 7. Again you will get what? Square root of minus 7. So this is also what? Imaginary number. If you substituting x value minus 4, or if you substituting x value plus 4 or more than numbers, plus more than means four more than three numbers or otherwise less than minus three numbers means what are those numbers? Minus negative numbers. Okay, minus three less than numbers is considered what we will take minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. These are all are negative numbers. Okay, now if you taking those numbers means we'll get what imaginary numbers. So between means what? Including these two numbers also. Minus 3 and plus 3 means then only we'll get what? A range. Then only we'll get what? Range. And also you will get the function. The function definition will be applying here. Okay. So for that purpose, we will think even whether the given result will be we got the result, but whether the function condition will be satisfying or not, we will check it. Okay, now so here x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3 in these between including these two numbers also, if you're taking these two numbers, these numbers between numbers, then only the function will satisfy and you will get what results also. So for this that purpose, the given f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square is the na. Here domain value will become what square root of square root of, because the indication, so the indication of common bracket and square bracket indication is what square bracket is the indication of for example I will write here square bracket of 5 comma 10 is there and the square bracket of 5 comma 10 is there. The indication of these two interval is nothing but what common bracket of 5 comma 10. We consider what these two numbers, except these two numbers, between numbers we must write, between numbers we will taking. For example here 6 7 8 9, only 4 element is there because common bracket is there. Okay, now square bracket is nothing but the indication of a square bracket is nothing but including these two numbers, including these two numbers. So 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, the difference of a common bracket and square bracket is like this. This is the example of a common bracket and square bracket example. Okay, now so this type of condition interval is given means we will take what only between numbers, and square root of square not equal to square bracket number is given means we will consider what including those numbers, including these two numbers. Okay, now this is the intervals already you have studied in set theory. Just I will explain. Okay, now here domain equal to what square bracket of minus 3 comma 3 because including these two numbers. Okay, and range is what 0 comma 3. Why we will taking what 0 comma 3? Can anybody say? Right, it's a very simple concept. It is because listen here all of you, x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1, 0 1 2 3. So totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, only 7 element is we will taking. Okay, now that is domain it is. And range is what check it all of you. See, if you if you put x value minus 3 means you will get what 0. If you put x value 3 means again you will get what 0. Okay, na. So here repeated terms is not allowed, na. So here whatever the term is there, you will get what 0 minus 5, sorry 0 root 5 root 8 and only 3 is there. Okay, so again repeat term is there. So that's why we will consider what only 0 comma 3. We will take what 0 comma 3 because these are positive numbers, and we will consider what positive form only, and repeated term is there. So for that purpose 0 to 3 we will consider 0 to 3. Whatever the numbers you will be substituting in between these two only, you will get the answer. So for that purpose we will take 0 comma 3 only. Okay. So this is your second type of problems, finding the domain and range of the given relationities, finding the domain and range of the given relationities. Okay, next one is a very simple concept, and in your previous examination this problem is also asked for 2 marks purposely. Let us we will seeing that one. Very simple concept it is. If you practice these problems, you can solve any type of another NCERT problems. And suppose some students, if you interested means, you can if you want to more problems about this concept means, you can refer even other textbook also, like Bosco, GK Rangnath, S Chand publication. So these type of textbook is available. So if you interested means, you can go to those publication books. But finally, whatever will be study, but finally we will consider what NCERT textbook only. For more information, for your more problems purposely, you can go to those textbooks. Okay, but finally we will consider, we must follow NCERT textbook only. And first you perfect NCERT textbooks, after then you go to those. Okay, right. Next, third problem is, okay, third problem is, a function f is a function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Write down write down the values of first one f of 0, second one f of 7, third one f of minus 3, f of minus 3. Okay, now dear students, this is another type of a problem. It is very simple concepts. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5 it is. Now write down the values of these three sub questions. Okay, now very simple solution. Now I will write first a given. What is the given? F of x equal to 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 it is. This is a given. Now first of all, I will solve first one. F of 0. F of 0 equal to, what is the question here? F of x equal to 2x minus 5 it is. Now f of 0 is the first one. Now wherever x is there, you substitute 0. Wherever x is there here, the given question, you substitute 0. Then the term will become 2 comma 0, 2 into 0 minus 5. So 2 into 0 is nothing but 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. Equal to minus 5. Second one f of, second one is f of 7 equal to, so 2 of 7 minus 5. So 7 to ja 14. You write 14 minus 5 equal to 9. 14 minus 5 equal to 9 it is. Next, third one f of minus 3 equal to 2 of minus 3 minus 5 equal to 2 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 6. Next, minus 5, you write minus 5 as it is. Your answer will become minus 11. So this type of functions we can solve. Okay, na? Very simple concept. Just substitute the x value here, the given problem. Okay, then only we'll get what these type of results. Okay, na? Right. Okay, next one. So next one we can see similar type of a problem it is. Okay. Now next question. If f of x equal to x square, find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 total divided by 1.1 minus 1 it is. 1.1 minus 1 it is. Okay. So let us will see. Now given. What is the given? F of x equal to x square. See, f of x equal to x square is given. Just I wrote as it is. Now I want to find the value of this one. This given function. Okay. Now I will write. Put x equal to 1.1. Put x equal to 1.1 in this given function. We get f of 1.1 equal to, put the value here, 1.1 whole square equal to 1.1 whole square. Just assume 11 square means what? How to write? 121. Similarly here 1.1 whole square is given. Just I will write a 1.21. It is 1.21 value will come. And similarly next one. Similarly f of, put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. We get f of 1. F of 1 is nothing but what? You substitute here. You substitute here in this given function. 1 square it is. 1 square is nothing but what? 1 only. Okay. Now we must write the given f of 1.1 minus f of 1 total divided by 1.1 minus 1 it is. Now listen here all of you. F of 1.1 value is 1.21 it is. You write 1.21. Okay. Minus f of 1 is nothing but what? F of 1 value will come 1 it is. So total divided by 1.1 minus 1. 1.1 minus 1 is nothing but what? So just you write 1.1 minus 1. Now I will write 1.21 minus 1. The value will become 0.21. Total divided by 1.1 minus 1. The value will come out 0.1 it is. 0.1 it is. So totally your answer will become. Just remove the point. Directly I will write 21 divided by 10, or otherwise you can write 2.1 it is. Your answer will come out 2.1 it is. So this is your answer. It is. Okay. So similarly you can solve these type of problems. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay, dear students. So today is enough. It is. So remaining these type of problems and related of these type of problems. So we will studying for the coming class. Means next class we will discuss. Okay. Thank you.